Hello, iking friends. I am iking. One of our subscriber, iking friends, went on a trip to Bangkok. Iking friends just sent a gift to iking back from Thailand. It's so happy and special day for me. I will always remember this moment and your kind and loving hearts. Let's take a moment to look at the photos from iking friends. The best part was eating Thai food at Michelin star restaurant. It was so delicious and you said it was the best moment of the trip. I've heard you had an amazing time in Thailand. You tried pad thai, seafood fried rice, and some fried food, and so on. I really want to go to Thailand and try all the yummy food too. Now let's open the gift you sent. Let's see what's inside. Now let's open them one by one. Seaweed snacks are made using seaweed from Korea because Thailand does not grow seaweed. Let me try now.
아이디어킹덤.
The original coconut 70 grams. It's a crunchy cookie filled with coconut flavor. Real coconut. I remember eating coconut because there was no coconut in Korea. I really like a coconut. Coconut original in Korea. It also says coconut original in Korea. It's just so delicious. I love coconut flavor.
약간 크리스피하고 맛있어요. 여러분.
Kelby Evisen Shrimp Snack 50 grams. The package says got by Evisen in Japanese. These snacks are salty and taste a little like a ramen soup. They taste like a shrimp snack Mukbang in Korea. But a bit spicier and salty. Lay snack with grilled shrimp and seafood sauce. Lay snack a new flavor. It tastes like a grilled shrimp and seafood sauce, but the shrimp taste is strong. Taokenoi Big Roll Classic Snack 18 grams. It's very thin and crunchy. There are two flavors, original and spicy. The original one I'm eating is sweeter than salty. If you look at the back of the snack package, the character is eating with his head raised. So I did the same. Let's make things fun and happy with iking. It's a healthy snack made with 95% seaweed. Richiaha Cheese Snack. This is a long pastry filled with cheese cream. It's crispy on the outside with a soft cheese cream. So delicious and Thai Hawaiian milk chew corn caramel 100 pieces. This is a special candy you should buy when you visit Thailand. It tastes like a corn. Since my teeth are a little weak, I eat candy carefully. This candy is softer than regular caramel, so it is easier to chew. It's so delicious.
두둥.
I cannot. I can't stop eating it. It's so sweet and soft. I love it.
여러분. 네, 이게 뭐?
I really like a cute and pretty pouch. It's small. I will use it to carry lipstick, lip gloss, hand cream, and so on in my bag. Love it. Thank you so much. Dear Aking friends in Thailand, please tell us in the comments where should I go and what I should buy when I visit Thailand. I can't wait to visit Thailand myself. I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
아이디어 킹덤. 다음에 또 만나요. 바이. Love you.
상상이 현실이 되다.
리얼 코리아. 진짜 한국. 아이디어 킹덤.
Aking friends, have a fun. Make a happy every day with Idea Kingdom. 또 만나요. See you next time. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Love you.